It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 21-22 Upper Deck Allure Hockey. 8 packs per box, and we should be guaranteed an auto in here. Once again, I don't know, did I say this? $90 U.S. is what this box is currently retailing for as I record this video. I like Allure. It's very similar to Peachy Platinum. Very shiny, very parallel heavy. Those are both good things in my book. Allure also, I hope at least, with Peachy Platinum's price going way up, I hope Allure stays as a somewhat affordable alternative to that. Because you gotta have things at all price levels, not just for the richy riches. I also like the presentation of Allure. It's very Panini. I remember used to have a bunch of boxes that were like this. So, like I said, we should get an auto. You can also pull patches in here. Let's get right into it. We got Brett Burns. We've got Claude Giroux. There's Jeff Petrie. We've got Tristan Jarry. Philip Deneau. And Radim Sohorna. A die-cut orange slice rookie. He's back with the Penguins after going to Calgary, I think, for a year. Control Room of Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen and a Rasmus Kupari rookie. Victor Olofsson. We've got Kirill Kaprizov, Stammer, Brock Besser. We've got a Jan Jenik, who knows? Rainbow, and what's cool is this is part of a 4-card series that they make like a rainbow when you put them across. This is the red-orange variant. There's a Quartz Connor McDavid and a Vasily Podkolzin. Dougie Hamilton, the Nuge, Joe Pavelski. There's Brad Marchand. There's Patty Kane. There's Natty Mac. That's an insert there. What do we got? We've got a Red Rainbow Natty Mac. Sponsored by McDonald's, apparently. Brad Marchand. And a Trevor Zegras rookie, which is nice. There's Dr. Dre. Anders Lee. Sam Reinhart. Kyler Yamamoto. Got a Nico Hischier. And I believe this is a black rainbow, Brady Tkachuk. Yep. We've got an iced out Zucker, playing in Arizona this year. And a rookie of Ivan Prosvetov. Anthony Mantha. There's Jordan Eberle sticking a little bit there. Nikita Kucherov, Coochie Boochies. Cam Atkinson. Pavel Buchnevich. We've got another Zohorna insert. Rookie Black Rainbow. There's a Bread Baskets, Mackenzie Blackwood. And a Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen rookie. Sid the Adult, Natty Mac, Mikko Rantanen. We've got a rainbow of Spencer Knight. Oh, and we did it. We pulled a Jamie Drysdale, which isn't a bad one. I guess that's not really a patch auto, but it's a jersey auto. Blue line jersey auto, numbered to just 75. That is a very cool one. Jamie Drysdale, the Ducks hope was the foundation of their defense for a few years to come, at least, as they rebuild. Really cool card. That's awesome. We pulled a jersey auto. There's a Maurice Seider rookie hiding behind him. 2 really good rookies there. Defensive stalwarts, if you will. There's Laffy, Alex DeBrincat, Matt Tkachuk. Got Super Goalie. Jacob Voracek. We've got I think it's a Red Rainbow. Red Rainbow Mikko Rantanen. Matthew Phillips rookie. Anze Kopitar. Miro Heiskanen. Kevin Fiala. Elias Lindholm. John Tavares. There's Jonathan Huby Dooby Duberdow. Black Rainbow. Here's a Patty Kane Rainbow. And a David Ference rookie. So there you have it. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with that one. That is 2021-22 Upper Deck Allure Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.